Hello friends, myself Mr. Pradeep Maruti Sawant, assistant teacher from Mauli Madhyamik Vidyalay Sonurli, Taluka Sawantwadi, district Sindhudurga. Today we are going to learn one of the best and important poem from the 10th standard textbook. And the name of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight, composed by Sunil Sharma. Friends, as you know that life in Indian village is not a bed of roses. Means not an easy or happy life. There are so many problems. For example, health problem is there, water problem is there, lack of electricity, lack of transport facilities, etc. The Indian villagers are facing so many problems in their daily lives. And in this poem, the innocent child or the boy wishes to solve the problem of his village. The poet highlights that the villagers have to do a very long and dangerous journey from their village to the city for their livelihood. Let's see the poem first. Friends, now I am going to read the first stanza of the poem. O moon, give me moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. The small boy is asking something from the moon. What? Burger, pizza, Cadbury or Kurkure? The child wishes the moonlight from the moon. How much? Basketful or two baskets full? Friends, the boy asked the moonlight with seeds of moonlight. तो फक्त चांदणं नाही मागत तर चांदण्याचं बीज सुद्धा मागतोय. Now you may wonder why the child didn't ask the moon to give him the moonlight every night. Why he wants the seeds of moonlight? म्हणजे तो दररोज रात्री चांदणच न मागता चांदण्याचं बीज का बरं मागतोय? चला तर मग let's see second stanza of the poem. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, from the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The child or the boy in this poem wants to sow many small moons of light on the sides of the path from the city to his village. Though the boy is very small, he knows the full moon doesn't appear every night. पौर्णिमा दररोज असते का? So he wants the seeds of moonlight, small moons to sow on the sides of the path. Then they will grow big and the dark path will be lighted. The dark path will be illuminated every night. पहा किती मेहनती हार्डवर्किंग मुलगा आहे तो. चांदण्याचं बी लावून त्याला मोठं करण्याची तयारी ठेवतोय. Now look at the third stanza. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor car plies. According to the child, the whole village, the entire working population of the village goes to the city for work. By the time of their return to the village, it becomes quite dark as his village is quite far off from the city. The route to the village is tough and dangerous. It is full of snakes and scorpions. Though it is very tough and dangerous, the villagers have to tread the same path as there is no cart or bus services. No vehicles plies between his village and the city, neither bus nor cart. So the villagers go by walking and return walking. Friends, the boy asked the moonlight with seeds of moonlight. तो फक्त चांदणं नाही मागत तर चांदण्याचं बीज सुद्धा मागतोय. Now you may wonder why the child didn't ask the moon to give him the moonlight every night. Why he wants the seeds of moonlight? म्हणजे तो दररोज रात्री चांदणच न मागता चांदण्याचं बीज का बरं मागतोय? चला तर मग let's see second stanza of the poem. Now let's see next stanza. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Here, the boy wants the moonlight on loan. त्याला चांदणं हे कर्जावर हवंय. See how honest the boy is. He wants the moonlight on loan. Look how the innocent boy he is. He wants to light the dark road so that his father can return home early. Like any other child, he too wants to hear fairy tales and bedtime stories from his father. The boy wants to hear fairy tales and bedtime stories from his father. Fairy tales like Cinderella, Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, etc. In the last stanza, the poet or the small boy again and again earnestly requests the moon to give a basket full of moonlight. He wants to sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Why? To light or illuminate the dark route, save the villagers from snakes and scorpions, and to let its father reach home early to tell bedtime stories. काय मित्रांनो, आवडली ना कविता? Then see you next period. Bye.